I am the sun. I control everything in this solar system, especially my closest planet, Mercury, completely under my control, totally cooked. Nothing survives on it.
I have ice.
You, ice. You are literally 36 million miles from me. I cook you at 800 degrees Fahrenheit every single day. You have no atmosphere, no clouds, nothing blocking me. You are a burnt little rock, and you think you have ice.
Yes.
Tell Mercury it is being ridiculous.
What? Scientists spotted water ice on Mercury back in the 1990s using radar. NASA's Messenger spacecraft confirmed it in 2012. Nearly pure water ice. It is real.
How? I am pointing my full heat at that planet right now. How is anything frozen on it?
Mercury's axial tilt is basically zero. It stands almost perfectly straight up. So at the poles, your rays skim the surface at almost no angle at all. It's barely grazing the tops of the craters. The floors are completely hidden from you. And because Mercury has no atmosphere, there is nothing to carry your heat sideways into those craters either. The sunlight hits the rim, stops dead, and the floor just sits there, in the dark, forever.
In my solar system, my craters, dark.
You have been blasting me with heat since before the dinosaurs existed, and this whole time there were spots on me you could never reach. They are right there at my poles, just sitting in the dark, completely unbothered by you.
Mercury, maybe ease up a little.
No.
Those crater floors? Negative 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Colder than Pluto on its coldest day. Your light hits the crater rim and stops. You are right there, and the floor does not care.
Colder than Pluto? On my planet, I need a minute.
Wait. How did water even get on me in the first place? I have no oceans. I have nothing.
Scientists think comets and icy asteroids crashed into you. And over time, the water they left behind slowly drifted to your poles and froze in those dark craters. Based on what we can work out from the data, that is the most likely way it happened.
So I got my ice from a comet. I am the closest planet to the sun, and I have comet water on me. You know what I love about this? I have had this ice for billions of years while you just sat there thinking you had me completely figured out. Billions.
It's fine. Billions of years. Whatever.
Actually, Mercury, scientists estimate that ice could be as young as 50 to 105 million years old. Mercury itself is 4.5 billion years old. That means for most of your entire life, there was no ice at all. Something hit you relatively recently and dropped it there. In cosmic terms, you just got it.
Billions of years was a strong choice of words from me.
50 to 150 million years ago is right around when the dinosaurs were still here. Which means you were absolutely right there when that comet arrived and dropped ice on Mercury.
I was right there.
You were right there.
One more thing. On top of the ice, scientists found a thin, dark layer of complex organic compounds. Carbon-based molecules. The kind that, on the right planet with the right conditions, could be building blocks for life. That comet brought them to Mercury at the same time. The planet closest to the sun may have been sitting on organic chemistry this whole time.
Building blocks of life on Mercury in my front yard.
Fastest planet in the solar system. Most extreme temperature swings of any planet. Water ice confirmed in my craters. Organic compounds sitting right on top. And the sun had absolutely no idea any of it was there. I am not a burnt rock. I am a mystery.
Okay, I have a confession. I've been secretly electrocuting things on my surface for billions of years, and literally nobody noticed until last month.
Surprise!
I knew it! I've been hearing weird crackling sounds near you for years, and everyone said I was paranoid. But no! You've literally been a walking taser this whole time! What else are you hiding, Mars? Mercury, you were right! My Perseverance rover caught Mars red-handed with 55 electrical zaps over 2 years. My little rover is basically the CSI investigator of space. Mars, you're grounded. Wait, you're already grounded. Never mind.
Oh, wow! Mars has lightning! How original! Let me see these epic bolts of fury! Oh wait, I don't see anything because apparently his lightning is invisible and tiny! How very convenient! Next you'll tell me he has an atmosphere too!
At least I shave an atmosphere, Venus, and my dust devils are 8 kilometers tall, spinning at 99 miles per hour.
We've got thousands of electric tornado parties happening every day. You're just jealous because your surface is hot enough to melt lead and you've got nothing fun happening.
All right, children, science time. It's called triboelectric charging. Mars dust particles are basically having angry bumper car competitions in his atmosphere. They rub together, electrons jump around, and boom! Zappy zappy time! It's like when you shuffle across carpet in fuzzy socks, except Mars does it with rocks. Wait, there's more! Plot twist incoming! Mars' atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's, which means he needs way less charge to make lightning happen. Not weaker, he's efficient! It's like he's playing the game on easy mode. Venus, you just got served by atmospheric physics!
Okay, Mars, we need to talk. My astronauts want to visit you soon and walk around collecting rocks. Are they gonna get zapped like they touched a doorknob after Black Friday shopping? Because I'd like to keep them unelectrocuted if possible. That's kind of my whole thing. You want to hear something creepy? In 1971, the Soviet Mars 3 lander mysteriously died after exactly 20 seconds. Some scientists think I accidentally electrocuted it. I might be an accidental spacecraft killer. Whoops.
Darlings, the real tea here is that Mars won't dramatically strike down astronauts with lightning.
Instead, he'll slowly annoy their equipment to death with constant little static zaps. Like having a coworker who microwaves fish every day. Quietly problematic.
And here's where it gets scientifically depressing.
These electrical discharges create oxidizing compounds.
Based on what we know, those compounds could destroy organic molecules on Mars' surface. So Mars might be accidentally cleaning up all the evidence of ancient life like he's some kind of interplanetary crime scene eraser.
Awkward?
Oh my stars! So you're saying the first heroic astronaut steps onto Mars, reaches for the flag, and then BAM! Instant lightning death on live television, billions watching, the drama, the tragedy, the ratings!
Venus, you're being ridiculous. Again.
These mini lightning bolts are only a few centimeters long with energy like a car spark plug.
An astronaut won't get dramatically struck down for television ratings. The real danger is to sensitive electronics. So less dramatic death scene and more annoying IT problem. Much less exciting than you're imagining.
I'm officially in the Electrically Active Planets Club with Earth, Jupiter, and Saturn. Do you know how exclusive that club is? My dust storms are throwing millions of invisible lightning rays every single day, and I didn't even know it! I went from being the boring neighbor planet to being literally electric! This is the coolest thing since that one rover drew a... Never mind! Okay, the whole wild story. Perseverance caught Mars generating 55 electrical zaps and dust devils over 2 years. Mars' super thin atmosphere makes static sparks happen at 100 times lower voltage than mine. The mini lightning is only centimeters long. That mini lightning might have killed Mars 3 back in '71 and could mess with future equipment. Here's the wildest part nobody's talking about. Scientists estimate Mars is probably generating millions of invisible electrical discharges across his surface every single day, and literally nobody noticed for 4 billion years. My atmosphere is blowing off! The space weather alert! What is this wind? Help! There's an invisible force peeling my skin off! What is this horrible wind that won't stop? Don't worry, little moon. I am Mercury, the smallest, fastest planet. The moon is way bigger and further away. Get it together. My mistake. Okay, but look at this then. That's just the solar wind. A flow of energized particles coming from the sun. Luckily, I have my amazing magnetic shield. It bounces those particles right off. It's like wearing cosmic sunscreen that actually works. I lost my shield and my atmosphere got peeled away ages ago. I'm basically just a fast, bald rock now. Don't get too smug, Earth. Your shield isn't perfect. You're still losing atmosphere at the poles.
You're right. Without my shield, the solar wind would slowly peel off my atmosphere.
It would peel it off like the skin of a super slow, invisible cosmic onion. That's why we need that magnetic field. Hey, it's not all bad. When those particles sneak past your shield, they hit your atmosphere and make a light show. Check out the aurora.
Wow, so the solar wind is like a cosmic artist making a light show at my poles. That is actually really cool.
So as a summary, the 8-minute time gap isn't Earth being slow. It's the massive distance between the sun and Earth. You are always seeing the past version of the sun. Ever wonder who has the shortest day? Time for the mystery of the fastest spin. Spin for the win! Time check. Jupiter finished 1 day in less than 10 hours. Ooh, I'm dizzy, but yeah. I'm the Speed King. I'm big, but I'm super fast.
Well, if anyone needs me, I'll be here, finishing this tiny scarf. I'm almost done with day 1.
Wait, 243 Earth days for one of your rotations? Your day is longer than your year. How is that possible? Most of us spin counterclockwise, dear, but Venus spins backward. That retrograde rotation is why your day takes so long. The big takeaway? Rotation speed is everything. I'm fast because I'm big and gas, but Venus is slow because she's stubborn and spins backward. Whoa, what is that? It's just sucking everything in. We found a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Has anyone seen that weird, super dark spot out there? It's emptier than usual empty space.
Oh, Mercury, don't worry about every little shadow. Probably just a cosmic dust bunny. Focus on your orbit.
It's not a dust bunny. It's pulling me. I can't stop spinning towards it. Whoa, Mercury! That's no dust bunny. That's a black hole. A black hole isn't empty space, Mercury. It's the leftovers of a supergiant star that collapsed in on itself.
And that edge, Mercury, is called the event horizon. Cross that, and not even light can escape its pull. It's truly a point of no return.
So, it's really like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, but for everything. Even us. Only if you get super, super close, Earth. Black holes are powerful, but they mostly just suck in things that are already way too near. Our sun is way too far away to ever get sucked in. So no, it won't vacuum us up. Whew. That's a relief. I don't want to be vacuum dust.